So here it's coming the pirate boat, cruise of sea. Wonderful. Here you can see Yoli Roger Ite, phone number Jolie, not Yoli, Jolie. So don't laugh. So today it's a rainy day, but not so hot. This is nice. We are in the Lido di Jesolo, not far from the light. Wonderful. So it's still a red flag there, but I'm not waves at all, actually. There it's my hotel, restaurant Cairo. So this guy is there actually. It's, on the duty. Last 3 days was a lot of tree, grass, and lot of things. Because it was 2 days ago was a big storm. I love these apartments. Big balcony. So they have 2 types of boat here, one with motor and one with normal, so in this way. And it's not cold. So beach walk now. Let's walk a little bit and make the video. Here. It's really very clear now. I was thinking it will come a storm, but it wasn't. Storm was raining not all night, almost all night. So. Oops! Look there. What is? Crabs. Crabs, I will not scare you. I let you to walk.
Da ist keiner.
People are in the water because it's not cold, it's so nice. It's not a bad idea actually. Beach walk in a rainy day, but right now it's not raining, just a little bit, so
Wir machen nur Graben um den Graben.
So I am in the Piazza Nemba. I was thinking till now the name is Piazza Faro, but not Piazza Nemba. It's a little far for all touristic areas from downtown and this wonderful restaurant atmosphere, Campini. But here are another good restaurants, even more classy, I can say. So you can eat not so much, not in the plate, but very good and very tasty. Even I've seen a pizzeria. I don't know. I recall the name. It's something with pizza digerabile and gluten-free. I've seen a restaurant with gluten-free meals. So yeah, the owners, they are doing everything to attract the clients, so which is a good idea because other people, they are sensible to the gluten, so lactose, and then it's okay to have something like that. bicycle. I was saying this bicycle, let me call it water. We have a castle here. I hope the water will not come till here because it will come, of course. But very nice. Fortress. Maybe in the water.
Sai chi manca?
No, non lo so chi manca. I don't know why it's red flag, because the water is much better than yesterday and before yesterday, so. That one is nice. And so the smell is very fishy. Normal, we are on the sea. Yeah, it's very dirty. A lot of grass, sea grass. Yeah, these things for crabs, I suppose, or cozze. I love cozze alla busera, cozze alla marinara. I ate the first day when I came here in a pizzeria, the pizzeria restaurant atmosphere was very good, delicious, with pizza bread, how did you say in German? Pizza type. Very good. Which was with olive oil and a little bit of aglio, with garlic. Very good. Okay guys, so I think I don't want to make you bored because yeah, I'm the same, but just to hear the sound of the sea, it's wonderful. I put the balcony door open because I can hear it in the night, and even if there are mosquitoes, not important. Okay, see you in the next video from Lido di Jesolo. Bye.